Seaports Corporation Sudan remain one of the main strategic partners to serve the Sudanese economy and share effectively in the foreign trade with regard to its pivotal role in the blue economy. Seaports Corporation acts one of the main units of the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport. It's authorized exclusively to construct and operate all the Sudanese seaports and provide the necessary port services along the Sudanese coast on the Red Sea. Up to 2031, Seaports Corporation is planning to obtain active logistics and competitive seaports to achieve added value economically and socially in relation to the international criteria. The message: Seaports Corporation provide integrated links of logistics and economical port services according to the international maritime measurements by means of its available facilities and the updated systems in coordination with the internal and external partners to secure the required needs of the port users, besides the support of the rapid social development and to share as well in the environment safety to assure its social responsibility towards the local society. The Seaports Corporation system of sea and dry ports. Seaports Corporation manages and operates 6 ports. 4 of them are seaports where 2 are dry ports. Seaports Corporation General Information. The main quays of Port Sudan are located for the general cargo, liquid bulk such as molasses and edible oil. It also serves dry bulk, for example, cement, coal, urea. The port consists of 12 quays of length 106 meters up to 785 meters, with depths between 8.5 up to 13.3 meters. The capacity of the North Quays is 5 million tons per year. 14 open areas are to provide the open storage on 458,000 meters. The port consists of 27 warehouses occupy 58,000 meters. The Green Port, located especially for the dry bulk handling, such as corn, vehicles, general cargo, containers. The port consists of 4 berths, taking the numbers 12, 22, 23, 24. Total length of the port is 1,236 meters. The port receives marine vessels of weight up to 70,000 tons. The Green Port capacity is designed for 4 million tons per year. The South East Container Terminal. This port provides container operational services. It's located south of Port Sudan Sea entrance and consists of 6 quays with number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The total length of port is 1,402 meters. The depth refers to 10.7 up to 16.6. The total area of the South Keys Container Terminal is 1,886,087 square meters. The capacity is 4 million tons, where additional grain silos provide seed services. Capacity of the grain silos is 50,000 tons. Al-Khair Port is founded to serve the petroleum derivatives on Damadama, south of Port Sudan marine entrance. It consists of one quay, taking number 19, and extends for 310 meters long, where depth is 14.6 meters and breadth indicates to 122 meters. The bay of port, totaling the area of 322 meters, 0.61. The marine area in front the quay makes 51,036.3 meters. The port receives tankers of 100,000 metric tons, where capacity as designed is 2,067 tons annually. Port of Osman Digna at Suakin is located south of Port Sudan on longitude 37.20 degrees east and latitude 19.7 north. The port designed to serve the passenger traffic and the general cargo handling. More than that, the port serves the livestock export, vehicles import, cement, bitumen and gas. The port consists of 9 quays of 748 meters long. The capacity refers to 1.5 million tons annually. The length of entrance make more than 14,400 meters. Reserve area of 27,000 square meters is located for cargo and luggage storage. The port had a passenger departure hall, where a similar hall is to host the arriving passengers, including a VIP branch beside a family branch, in addition to an expatriate branch to provide the necessary services. More 100 square meters are located for the ship agents to serve the passengers' luggage and outfits. Aidu Port. This port is designed to serve the livestock export beside the agricultural green products and fish. The port located 24 kilometers south of Suakin and consists of one quay 241 meters long and a depth of 12 meters to receive marine vessels of 30,000 tons in the first stage. 3 stages are planned for construction of additional 4 quays, and sufficient storage areas will be built in future. Port Corporation Dry Ports. Saloum Dry Port is to provide the storage, handling, staffing for the Sudanese export. The port also provides logistic operations by receiving the transshipment and the transit containers. The port is located 18 kilometers west of Port Sudan, over 8 million square meters. Coastal dry port. This port is designed for stuffing goods due for export. The port serves the south of Sudan trade, where administrative support runs smoothly to shorten time. Operations usually run beside coastal town on the White Nile state. The port facilities. Lately, a dry dock is fulfilled by Dami Shipyard Company. This dry dock enabled the port dockyard to improve its efficiency for repair and maintenance of the small vessels, tugboats, yachts, and fishing. Obtain a lot of port handling equipment such as gantry cranes to handle automatically more than one container of 20 feet in the same time, rubber tire gantry, and mobile cranes, key cranes, trailers, goosenecks, tugmasters. A continuous electrical power is provided to the working marine and dry ports in addition to the attached sites, as Seaports Corporation had additional power stations to support the main electrical power supplied from the national sources. The strategy and plan of Seaports Corporation for port development. A Seaports Corporation plan is passed upon the national transport sector and contained consequently the provision of efficient, active, sustainable port operations according to the local and global criteria. SPC is to assure the availability of the modern port handling equipment and to secure the maintenance and repair as well. The ideal use of sources and infrastructures as well as port handling equipment, berths, storage areas to be highly considered for a long-term efficiency and to be utilized for vertical and horizontal development. A special study for port development is carried out by the Chinese Harbor Engineering Company, where the German consultant company HPC was an assistant to fulfill an information technology project and set a new organization chart for the South Keys Container Terminal. Seaports Corporation is looking forward to cope with the global maritime development to reach the international standards. Seaports Corporation also play a national role to meet the national development needs and fit well with its competitive role in the name of Sudan around the region and over the world. Seaports Corporation works hard to attract and activate the transshipment and the transit traffic to achieve added value for the Sudanese economy. The electronic management took place in Seaports Corporation, where additional special ports are planned to be constructed. Training is highly considered for Seaports Corporation manpower. The Regional Center for Consultation and Training is established in partnership with the Arab Academy for Science and Technology and Maritime to develop the local training system and to serve better Seaports Corporation and the neighbor countries. The participation of Seaports Corporation. Seaports Corporation had a lot of membership in various maritime organizations, starting with the International Maritime Organization, the International Association of Ports and Harbors, the International Association of Lighthouses, the North African Port Management Association, Arab Academy for Science and Technology and Maritime, the Marine Research and Consultation Center Egypt, Port Training Institute Egypt, Port Management Association of Eastern and Southern Africa. Seaports Corporation used to provide the sufficient service to assist in the trade flow by means of updating the information systems according to the international port measurements with regard to the International Maritime Organization conditions, which is highly considered in Seaports Corporation. Seaports Corporation is going ahead with its partners to set a standard documentary window for the daily service requested by the port users. Seaports Corporation is to provide efficient marine and land operations actively to serve the Sudanese economy according to the drive demand. Security, training, and ship and floating craft repair remain under Seaports Corporation activities. A special company for marine engineering, consultation, road paving belongs to Seaports Corporation as well. The updated information system took place in Seaports Corporation within the documentary episode in the containers and general cargo handling in all the working seaports. Electronic room is established to serve the clearing agents in the daily information needs. An exchange of electronic information between Seaports Corporation and the ship agents is secured. A website and a database are under request for any further information regarding Seaports Corporation. Covered and open areas are located for the private sector investment to develop the handling system of the container terminal. The Seaports Corporation runs the container handling and operations individually, while the private sector is admitted to bring their own equipment to draw the goods from the containers up to the customs area. Lately, a partnership took place between Seaports Corporation and China to establish a Sudanese-Chinese company to operate Haidu port for livestock export. Seaports Corporation remain in all cases the backbone of the Sudanese economy and play a pivotal role in the national march over its consecutive interactions in the world maritime.